exit onto Kantipet Main Road.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tushtita. So today's video is about a staycation vlog, and we are here for staycation after I guess 4-5 months. Basically we are here at this resort called Wilderness Retreat, which is amidst nature, full of greeneries, just gives a jungle vibe, somewhat like a jungle resort. So I'm excited for my stay. So आने से पहले we just had our breakfast and it took around 45 minutes from my place to here, and we haven't checked in yet. We thought of having lunch first because we're literally hungry now. It's almost 1 p.m. and yeah, पूरा दिन है. We'll keep you updated like what we're doing and how's the place and everything. So stay tuned. So we are just done with our lunch. We had Szechuan chicken egg noodles. It was fine, like average. And now we are going to our room. So yeah, and that's the way to our room, which is in between the jungle. I'm excited. And that's him. He's already up the stairs because he's very excited. So we're inside the room. We have mosquito net also, of course, you would need it. And that's the bathroom. It's cute and tiny. I really love this part. I guess we can shut the window by pulling this. Okay, anyways, I'm not able to. Yeah, it looks pretty. So it's 2:30 p.m. and I just got freshened up. तो अभी क्या हुआ था, I just went inside the bathroom to just freshen up. तो अंदर जाते मुझे वहाँ पे चूहा दिखा. So of course I got scared. So it was quite expected since it's a jungle resort. So it was expected, but डर तो लगता ही है. And then we called someone and then the person took care of it. But anyways, I'm liking the view from this place up from here. I'm just loving the view. It's full of greenery, like in between the nature. I'm just waiting for tomorrow morning, like uthte hi matlab how the view would be, that freshness. So yeah, I'm excited for that. And abhi what's the plan is, probably we'll go for cycling and go-karting, and let's see, probably we'll just roam here and there and just explore the property. So yeah. Okay, so we took some rest. It's 3:30 p.m. now, and right now we're just going out for a stroll and थोड़ा शाम का तैयारी करने के लिए. Kaushik wants to get some beer. and for me I have to get maybe breezer. Let's see. So yeah, we'll just go and stroll around the property, and then we'll go out like outside the resort, and we'll see आसपास क्या क्या है. I heard there's a lake just nearby, so yeah. Okay, so we had to come back because the lake to where we were going, it needs quite a lot of walk, and my husband got irritated because मुझे बोल रहे थे कि to change my outfit, but I was like नहीं चलेगा. So I came back to change into something comfortable, and he's waiting outside, irritated. So I'll quickly change into something really comfortable so that I can walk hassle free and very comfortably. So yeah, so I changed my outfit into something comfortable, and I'm all set for a long walk, and I'll quickly rush because Kaushik is waiting outside. Yeah. So the lake for which I changed my outfit, seems like that lake is closed. So basically बेकार में कपड़ा change कर लिया. Anyways, no issues. We got the wine shop from where we have to get our drinks, and we're going back to the resort. So we did some cycling, and I'm literally exhausted because the road is really bumpy and quite hilly. So I'm really tired now, and right now I'm at the go-karting area, and you can see from here people are doing go-karting. So guys, एक tragedy हो गया था. So while I was cycling back to the resort, this happened. I'm not able to lift my hand right now. It's literally paining. It's burning. Anyways, it's evening already. It's around I guess 5 o'clock. So right now we'll just sit outside the porch. We'll order some starters. We'll have some beer. I got some chips and some more drinks. So we'll have that. So yeah, that's all for now. So now we are going for dinner. It's 10:30 p.m. and yeah, it was a great evening. Like, we had beer. Actually not me, I just had half the can. Kaushik had more. And then we ordered some starters, and we heard some music. We sang along with it, and it was fun. Like, बहुत महीनों बाद we are spending some quality time together, and it was great. We loved it. Like, bahar on the porch, spent really good quality time, and it was really worth it. And now we're going for dinner. And that is where we're going for dinner. That's the in-house restaurant. Are you hungry?
Not yet.
Because you had a lot of food already?
A lot of starters.
And beer. So we ordered butter chicken and jeera rice. It's nice. Like, it's very less spicy. ज़्यादा oil नहीं है. So look good. We are just done with our dinner. Now we are going back to our room. Are we watching a movie now?
Yes, bell bottom.
Bell bottom. So we'll watch a movie and we'll sleep. Our way to go towards our room. काफी भयानक लग रहा है. Please show the path. It's literally very dark. No lights. So I just got freshened up and now it's time to watch movie. So I'll watch movie with Kaushik now. And we're watching Bell Bottom like I already told you. So yeah, good night and see you guys tomorrow morning.
के दर्जनों तरीके यूज के गए और सबसे इफेक्टिव तरीका साबित हुआ हाईजैक.
Good morning guys, it's day 2 of our stay. Yeah, it's a beautiful morning, a very fresh morning. I could also hear birds chirping. So what will be the next plan is we'll go for breakfast. I need to shoot some reels and I'll try to shoot as much as possible. I was planning so many things today, but I don't know, with this pain and with this hand of myself, I don't know how much I can do it, but I'll try. And yeah, probably we'll go for go-karting. I'll not do it because obviously I'm not in that state of doing go-karting. And then we'll leave this place and we'll go back to Hyderabad, our home. So yeah, that's what we are planning today. Also, I realized that I haven't talked about the cabin that we have chose to stay. The cabin that we are staying is a pench cabin. There are many other cabins, like different kinds of cabins. We opted for this because it looked kind of unique and interesting, so we opted for this. Similar to this, there's another cabin called Kabini cabin, but that's kind of higher range. So this was under our budget, so we chose this cabin. Had cost us around 10,000 for a night, including taxes. And yeah, we really liked it. It's a must-try stay if you're looking for something unique. And also, I was very skeptical yesterday night, like whether we can have a good sleep, because the place where we are, it's in between a lot of greeneries and trees. So I was thinking there might be a lot of mosquitoes or insects, but thanks to the mosquito net, it saved us and we had a proper sleep, very good sleep, and we woke up to this beautiful morning. So we are here for breakfast, which comes with a package. Basically it's complimentary. And yeah, let's see what we have for breakfast. And also, just before reaching here, there's a place, it's kind of a silent studio where you can just float on the water with Epsom salt, and it's kind of healing, and you can detoxify yourself. So I wanted to experience today, but there's a slight glitch with the heater, so today is not possible. Anyone who comes here for a visit can use that facility, but by booking the appointment. I couldn't show you the inside of the studio because it's closed, and yeah, probably next time if we hear. So we ordered eggs Benedict, then that's Turkish egg, and that's a red grilled chicken sandwich. Another sandwich is yet to come, so we were waiting for that. So we just had a breakfast. It was really good. Like compared to yesterday's lunch or dinner, the breakfast is really amazing. It's like must try. What I like most about the breakfast is that you can order anything from the breakfast menu, and like I told you, it's complimentary, but if you waste, you have to pay for it. And that I really liked, because I'm totally against any food wastage, and I really like this concept, and I feel it should be applicable in every restaurant. You waste, you pay for it, or you waste, you pay extra. So yeah, I like today's breakfast. I would say it's 9 on 10. I really loved it. So we are checking out now. So I just did some reels and took some photos, and yeah, and right now I'm wearing this kaftan. It's a shibori print kaftan. I'm really loving it. I'm wearing a kaftan for the first time, by the way, and I really loved it. It's so free flowing and very comfortable to wear. And right now we are going out for go-karting. I'll be not doing, obviously, but Kaushik will be doing it. And yeah, and the experience here was really great. Had really fun time, relaxed time, and it's a must-visit place for a weekend getaway. I recommend it. Now we are here at the go-karting track, and Kaushik already entered to register. He seems really excited for it. He loves such kind of adventurous activities. This is the track for go-karting. So that's all for the vlog, and hope you enjoyed the vlog. And if you liked it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys again in my next vlog. So until then, bye bye.